This is something that I've been curious about for a while. I just want to measure my body. I'm just going to do the best that I can on my own without professional help, I guess. So let's see. All right. So I'm gonna, whoops. All right, let's start with my legs and see how much they measure out to be. Ugh. All right, let's see. So I think that I would start from here and say 29. That's what my thighs measure out to be. 29 inches. That's insane. Let me do this one. It's probably not even going to be the same spot, but I'm going to try. Let's see. All right. Oh, 29 inches. What do you know? I done good. I measured it about the same spot. All right, so let me try. Of course, my booty. Don't. Let's see. Is that the low or the high? I think that's like, oh, if I could keep a grip on it. Let's see. Woo! 48.5. Goodness gracious. 48.5 inches. Don't. What about down here? What would that be? Looks like it's more like 48. 47. I'm giving myself an inch, like 47.2. I wonder. Well, let's do this. Right here. Looks like 43. My breastises. Right here is a 44. Let's see if I come down a little bit. $43. Let's see if I take it up. Like right here. Whoa. It's like a 39.5 up here. Unprofessional measurement. Now, what you all been waiting for. Drum roll! Alright, let's see. The belly is revealed in all her glory. What you all have been waiting for. Dum boom dum dum boom 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 boom. All right, let's see. Wow. Without smushing her, it's about 43. Right here. Yeah, about 42.5. Now let's check up here. Up here, maybe 39, I can't see. Maybe 38 point something. Now let's see when we let her out. How big can I go? That's about as big as I can go. Now this is looking like 43. It's about the same. Let out and normal. That's sad. What about if I suck in? Oh, I lose a couple of inches when I do that. Just a couple. Let's see. I can get it to 41. Like 39.9. That's as much as I can suck in. Not much of a difference. Not much of a difference at all. It's all right though. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. Should we measure my head? Why not? How big is that dome, girl? How big is that dome? Like 25 inches? 24, girl. That's 24 inches. Whew. 24 inches. That's about as big as somebody's waist. And that's the size of my head. Did I even measure down here? I think I did. Let me do it again. Oh, it's the wrong way. God dang it. All right. Down here, looking like 41 inches. 41. But you're supposed to wear your pants up here. So this is my true measurement. 38. And those, my friends, are my measurements. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Put it away. Oh, you guys, did y'all see the cute belly ring that Crystal got for me? Can you see it? It's so cute. I just love it so much. I hope that she stays with me forever. Not Crystal, the belly ring. I know she better stay with me forever. I'm talking about the ring. The ring better stay with me forever. Maybe she'll replace it someday. Ah, that's it. I ain't got nothing else. That's it. That's it. Okay. I know you liked it. It's okay. I like it too. All right, bye.